There was a time when we used to wait for foreign cartoon shows to be dubbed in Hindi. Today, the Indian animation industry has come a long way thanks to the exceptional movies and TV series being made. These are loved by parents too because it is an excellent way to learn not only about Hindi but also about Hindu mythology. Here are the top 8 Hindu mythological animation series that are worth checking out. Chota Bheem. Chota Bheem has become a household name, a cartoon that shows Chota Bheem and his 5 friends defending their town of Dholakpur from evil people is a treat to watch. The catchy plots and colorful animations propelled this series to be an instant favorite among children. Today, you can find this animation series plastered over drinks and biscuits, thanks to this boy conquering the hearts of kids and businesses. Krishna and Balram. This is a Hindu mythological animation series depicting the story of Lord Krishna, a prominent Hindu god. It is about how Krishna and Balram solve and defeat evils. With smooth narration and dubbing, this series stays close to the children while they learn about Hindu culture and mythology. Arjun, the Prince of Bali. Known to be a spin-off of Chota Bheem, this series is about Arjuna, the oldest son of King Bali, and Zimbu, his pet tiger. This series is about how he protects his kingdom and solves the trouble of the citizens. A best way to learn Hindi, this series is worth checking out. Hanuman and the New Adventures of Hanuman. Hanuman and its sequel, The New Adventures of Hanuman, are 2 animation feature films directed by V.G. Samant and Anurag Kashyap. This series is about Hanuman, a popular character from the Ramayana who deals with gods and defeats demons while he is a regular school student. This show is guaranteed to entertain your child while she learns about Hindu mythology and Hindi too. Role number 21. This series is about Lord Krishna in a modern school setting. Krishna, popularly known as Chris, is an intelligent kid who stays in an orphanage. Kanishk, the reincarnation of Kansa, wants to conquer the world. This series is about how Chris and his friends foil his efforts. A humorous series, there are references from Hindu mythology such as Radha, Pinky, and Sudhama, Bablu. Selfie with Bajrangi. Currently airing on Hungama TV and Disney Channel, this series is about the modern day adventures of Ankush and his friend Bajrangi, who is Lord Hanuman. It is interesting to know that apart from Ankush, nobody can see Bajrangi. The series about how they help citizens and how Bajrangi takes a selfie every time when he helps citizens. Guaranteed to be quality entertainment, this is worth checking out. Bal Ganesh. This series revolves around baby Ganesh, the son of Shiva and Parvati in Hindu mythology. Accompanied by Mushak, his loyal friend, this series is about how the elephant-headed god goes about his daily life. Little Krishna. This series is known to be a finer Hindu mythology animation series aired on Indian cartoon channels which uses 3D animation. This series is not only about how baby Krishna plays pranks on his mother but also about some famous battles like one against Kalia, a 5-headed serpent, and Bakasura, the crane demon. As more and more Indians become interested in animation, we will see more mythology-based animation series. Thanks to such shows, learning becomes fun when combined with entertainment. What mythological character would you prefer a show about?